In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror a design in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know the cleanest, most reliable way to create a mirrored version of an element without touching your original. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. Give the app a moment to load your workspace. Once you're in, make sure the document containing your artwork or photo is visible so we can work directly on it. Next, click on the image you want to mirror to select it. You should see a bounding box and corner handles appear around it, which is Affinity Designer's way of confirming the object is active. If you don't see those handles, click once more to ensure the image is truly selected. This matters because the next actions only affect whatever is selected. Now duplicate the image. Duplicating creates a safety copy so your original remains intact. You can use the duplicate command to make an exact copy sitting right above the original in the same position. If you like working with shortcuts, the standard duplicate shortcut is a fast way to do this. When it's duplicated, Affinity will treat the copy as a separate object you can transform independently. Click on the duplicate image to make sure you're targeting the copy rather than the original. This is important when you're preparing to mirror because you want to flip only the duplicate and leave the original untouched. If you ever feel unsure, remember that the active object will still show that bounding box and handles. At the top of the interface, click Transform. This reveals the key options you'll use to flip the selected object. In Affinity Designer, transform controls are where you'll find quick actions like flipping horizontally or vertically. Think of this as the control center for precise geometric changes. Finally, flip the image. Choose Flip Horizontal to mirror left to right, which is the most common type of mirroring for logos, icons, and photos. If you need an upside-down reflection, choose Flip Vertical instead. After you click the flip option, the duplicate instantly becomes a mirrored version while staying aligned to its original position. If you want to double-check the look, you can toggle the flip again and undo if needed until you're satisfied. That's it. You've opened your project, selected your image, duplicated it for safety, targeted the copy, used the transform controls at the top, and flipped it into a clean mirror. This approach keeps your original intact, makes comparisons easy, and gives you a solid foundation for symmetrical designs or creative reflections.